Hello KG3, welcome back, and today we are going to read the story When Daddy's Truck Picks Me Up. It was written by Jana Novotny Hunter and it was illustrated by Coral Thompson. Daddy and me in my daddy's truck. It's Daddy's turn to pick me up. I get up fast today. Daddy drives a tanker truck and he comes a long, long way. I'll see you soon. I love to ride in Daddy's truck. He picks me up from school. Then I have Dad to myself. We think that's so cool. My daddy's picking me up today. I'll wave Mom a big goodbye. I just can't wait, Daddy's coming, that's why. Love you. Heading down the highway with his engine thumping. Roar, rumble, roar. I'm on my way. When it's Daddy's turn to pick me up, I make the day go zoom. I drive my big red tanker truck, vroom, vroom, vroom. Thundering through the tunnel, headlights help to see. Bursting out the other end, Daddy's coming for me. Crawling through my tunnel, boring like a mole, going darker and deeper into the big hole. Zooming zigzag down the hill, singing our favorite tune, rocking, rolling, roaring, Daddy, I'll be there soon. I am waiting so hard. I hum our favorite songs, humming through my sandwich. Daddy, don't be long. Filling up his fuel tank, checking the tanker's load, getting something just for me, then Daddy's back on the road. When Daddy picks me up, I paint his smile, big as can be. It's bursting off the paper, the way Daddy smiles at me. Shifting down to first gear, taking that bridge real slow, crawling like a giant snail, still a way to go. School's getting out now, the grown-ups are on time. They wave and kiss and pick up their kids. All the daddies, where's mine? Stuck in heavy traffic, engine running hot, grinding down, braking hard, slowing to a stop. I am making Daddy hurry up. Come on, Dad. Don't be slow. I am waiting hard. I want you now. I really need us to go. When is Daddy coming? Soon. When? Screech! Made it! Here I am! Daddy! Then Daddy picks me up. He swings me round and round, and it's me and Daddy and me. Whee! Now we are together. We won't wait one more minute. Daddy's truck takes off so fast with me and Daddy in it. Bye!